So hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we are going to design an anniversary flyer using the Pixellab. So this is Solomon's Langi anniversary flyer using the Pixellab. So let me go to my size and then pick 1197 as the size, and then the height will be 1280. So let me just press on OK. So I will delete this text. So I'll go to my gallery and then import the background that I'm going to use. So here is the background. I'll choose it and then go and resize it. I'll resize it to 100, and then I will centralize it. So I will leave a link on the description so that you can actually go and download it. So I will go to my gallery and then import the image of the celebrant. So here is it, Solomon's Langi's image. So I will just kind of fix it towards here. Yeah, this is perfect. So I actually fed this image using PSCC, which is Photoshop version of smartphone. So I will leave a link also on the description menu for those of you who doesn't know how to do it, so that you can actually go and learn. Yeah, now what will happen is I will actually go to my gallery and then import this. So I'll leave everything on the description menu so that you can actually go and download it and try it. So I will just kind of fix it here. Just fix it here. Yep. So this is perfect. I will go to filter and increase a little bit of its saturation. Let me just leave it like this. So now what will happen is I will go to text. Alright, happy anniversary. I'll fix it toward here, and then I will go to my fonts and then choose a good font. So I'll be using this Tinsel black. So I'll be using this, and I'll reduce the size and fix it towards here. Yep. So now what will happen is I will go to text again and then write the name of the celebrant, which is Solomon, and then Lara. Yep, I will fix it toward here, and then I will go to my font and then choose a kind of font. I will choose this font. Yep. So I will go to, if you look at the picture, it seems like that S is not complete. I will go to fading and then kind of increase the left fading and then the right fading, so that everything will pop up. So I will just amend it towards this. Yeah. So I will click on this text again and I write the date, which is 2nd May. I say 2025. And then again uppercase letter, and I'll drag it to right here. So let me go to my font and then choose Nita Regular. So I will decrease the size and then I will go to spacing and increase the spacing. Yep. So now I will do some addition. So I will go to gallery and then import this. Let me choose this. Yep, here is one. Yep. So I will go to color filter and then reduce the opacity. So I will go to gallery and then import a kind of frame. I will import a frame. Where's my gallery? Where's Photoshop? Okay, Photoshop. Yep, I will be using this frame. Yep. So I will decrease the size. So what will happen is I will measure it too. I will match them together. Although let me just go and copy. Let me copy this before. So let me match them. Yeah. just kind of stretch it toward here and then put it toward this direction, and then I'll go to opacity and then decrease the opacity. Yeah, so this is perfect. I will do same for this also. I will just go to my gallery and then import another. Let me import this. So let me drag the layer down of, yep. So I will mesh the two also. Okay, first thing, let me go to color filter and then reduce the opacity, and sorry, the saturation, and then I will match the two frame. So here's it. So what I will do now is I will drag it toward this direction also. Yep. Yes, this is perfect. I will go to opacity and then reduce the opacity. Sorry. Yeah. Reduce it towards this. Alright, now what will happen is I will go to gallery again and then I will import another image. So let me import this image. Yep. I love this image. So I will just put it toward this direction. So I will just put it like this, and then yeah. So for this image, what I will do is I will kind of increase the saturation. Yeah, and then I will go to gallery again and then import another image. Let me use this. So let me just increase the saturation. Yep. So decrease the size. And I will put it toward this direction also. Yeah, now let me go to gallery and then import the frame icon, the frame image. Yep, I'm using this also. Just cut this. So I'll decrease the size. Sorry. So I'll decrease the size. I'll just turn it towards this. Yep. So this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Yeah, I will copy it again. And sorry. And just turn it like this, rotate it. So here we go with this one. So I will copy this and then write celebration of God's faithfulness. So I'll just put it uppercase letters. So for this I'm going to use black color. Then I will go to size and then reduce the size. So now what I will do is I will go to spacing and increase the spacing a little bit. So here we go. So here we go with this. I think we are actually done with this. So let me just correct this. Yeah, so now I will just go and save my image as Ultra GPT. Alright, now what I will do is I will go to Snapseed and then enhance my quality. So I will click on the plus icon, tap on it, and then it will direct me to gallery where I will choose the image. So this is the image. So I will go here to my tools and then go to here, which is details. So what I will do now is I will increase the structure. Just increase the structure to like, let's see, okay, let me just leave it like this, to like 15. Okay, let me leave it at 24. And the sharpening should be a kind of bit sharper. Let me choose 50. Okay, let's go for 50. Yeah. So I will go to tone image also and then increase the brightness a little bit. Okay, I'll go to saturation, increase it a little bit, then go to ambient color. Reduce this ambient color. Yeah, I'll go to highlights and then increase the highlight to like 9. Then the shadow. I'll decrease the shadow. So like this. K1. Alright, here we go with this. So I will go to my color balance and then increase the temperature. Okay, let me just decrease the temperature like -7 and then the tint. Alright, here we go. So what will happen now is I will go to look and then go and pop it up. Press on pop. So you can actually see how the thing is actually pop up now. Okay, now let me see. So like, let me reduce the structure. Yeah, you actually see. Okay. Yep. So if you look at the picture has been enhanced actually. Thank you very much for your time. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more insight on mobile design using your smartphone. So I will go and save my work by pressing on this, which is export, and then save my work here. So it's actually saving. Actually 7. Yeah, it has been saved. So let me just open it in my gallery. So here is it. Here is just how to, make your appealing design using your smartphone. Thank you very much for your time. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.